Black Clover chapter 305 spoilers are out, and before we begin, let's talk about the popularity poll results. We have the top 3 in the front page, with Noel taking the first place and Asta getting pushed down to the second, and Nacht climbing up the ladder like crazy in the third place. To be honest, we all know why Noel is in the first place. Yes, it is for chapter 301 where she finally admitted her love for Asta. We have this page in water theme, which of course refers to Noel's water magic. Coming up next, we have Dante at 4th, Luck at 5th, Gosh at 6th, Yami at 7th, and yeah. We know why this happened. It's been so freaking long since we saw him in action. So yeah, this had to happen. Following up, we have Charlotte at 8th, Yuno at 9th, and Nero at 10th. I'm honestly quite surprised to see Dante at 4th rank. I mean, this crazy ass dude at 4th. Seriously. Anyways, not that we can do anything about it, but what we can do is smash the subscribe button and like the video. So go ahead and do it. But for now, let's just jump into the spoil. The chapter begins with Yuno and Langris facing off against Xenon, and in the previous chapter, as we all saw, Yuno asking for 3 minutes from Langris as he promises him he's gonna end Xenon's life with his next attack. And they seem to be discussing about it in this chapter. Langris steps in front of Yuno and says it's gonna be a gamble, but think of it as granted. Yuno tells him to give it his all, and seconds after that, Xenon launches his multiple spine-like things, which is of course his bone magic, and Langris uses his special magic to evade them. And Yuno could be seen working on his new spell. This spell that Langris is using looks like a high defensive one, where he encloses himself in a spatial sphere, and as soon as Xenon's bones are touching it, they seem to disappear. But that magic couldn't handle Xenon's tremendous blows, and Langris could be seen taking massive damage from them. But that doesn't stop him from giving up, just like our boy Asta. And while being pierced by those bones, Langris jumps in front of Xenon while making sure that none of those attacks reaches Yuno. He could be seen coughing out blood. Right after that, Langris shouts at Yuno, probably saying, "I have done enough," or 3 minutes have already passed. Is his attack ready yet? Yuno could be seeing after that smiling, and the next page what we have is Yuno ready with his Spirit of Euros, which is a bow and an arrow pointing towards Xenon, and he is making a face like, okay, now this is bad news for me. And the chapter ends. Now let's talk about Spirit of Euros. If you remember, we have already seen Yuno using Spirit of Euros, although it was in an incomplete form. Now, this is the end of Xenon, that is confirmed. But what about Langris? He has taken pretty heavy damage as we have seen him coughing out blood. And my answer to that is, unless Mimosa arrives, his survival is questionable. But as Yuki Tabata has sworn that he is not gonna kill anyone in Black Clover, he might somehow make him survive. Well, that's for the upcoming chapter. As soon as the translations are out for this current chapter, you are gonna get video regarding it. So if you don't wanna miss out on it, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. And for now, signing off.